Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Jeep 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we do that, notice we had a little name change here. Just thought it was time to kind of move on from my screen name, which was basically a name I had used for my son when he was little. Just a little nickname that we came up with him for him. But now everybody's getting older, and so it's, I guess, kind of time to move on. Hopefully we'll get some more viewership. Appreciate everybody watching and hanging in there through all the videos that we've done. And we're now over 400 subscribers, so that's pretty cool. So let's get started on this. So what we have here today is our 2003 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 4-liter inline 6, an engine that they made right up to about 2004, I think, was the last year for it. Then they replaced it with a 3.7-liter V6. This engine has been tried and true through the Jeep, Chrysler, and AMC years. Puts out 195 horsepower in this form. I've had a couple of these. I had one on my Cherokee as well. So it's a workhorse. Every 5,000 miles I change the oil, and I go over to Walmart and I pick up my Mobile 1. What we have here is 5W30. Get my Mopar filter, because they're pretty inexpensive over there, and that is part number M0-090 for the 4-liter. Takes 6 quarts, and first item of business is just gonna pop this. There we go. Oil cap cover off. We'll leave that there. Pop the dipstick just a little bit to get air in there, and then we'll get underneath. 5/8 inch wrench. Here's the oil pan. Grab it or pull. Alright, so we got our bucket. She comes. There she goes. That should be good. I'm going to plug this up. Turn that on. Give that a good snug. There we go. That's on. And now we can go up top. Oops, here's our oil filter. And I have moved the oil pan underneath the oil filter to try to collect as much stuff as I can get. One of the other jobs we have to do is straight down here, if you can see it, there's a control arm, short control arm, that needs to be replaced because it's moving around. The bushings are all gone on that, so I'm gonna replace that in an upcoming video. I'm looking at the bolts, and the bolts look pretty good. I think I'll be able to get those out. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. There we go. 2 hands is all I needed. Usually is really messy. Okay, there's that. Here's our new filter. Take our Mobile 1, full synthetic, my finger, and you just wipe it around the oil seal. Okay, I've made contact, so now I just kind of hand tighten it to about that. Not overly tighten it, just compress that seal. Was at Walmart quite a while ago. Bought a bunch of funnels. This one I like. It's a real soft rubber funnel. And there's a 1 quart. Down the hatch. I save these big 5 quart jugs, because then I use them for old oil. I just take it back to Walmart and drop it off. So they take old oil. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna watch that oil pressure gauge. Once we start it, wait for it to start pumping oil. There she goes. Takes a little while. There we go. We've got good pressure. There we go. $35 it cost me with oil and a filter, and not more than probably 15 or 20 minutes worth of work. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please rate, comment, tell your friends, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.